Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a group chat on Messenger. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open Messenger. Now tap on the pencil icon in the top right corner. Then click on Group Chat. Search for the people you wanna add. After you've selected necessary participants, tap on Next button. You'll also have to add a group name. Then tap on Create button. And that is how you can create a group chat on Messenger. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.